Hello, how are you everyone? My name is Wardolin and my husband Mark. He was the former US Navy and a veteran. So I'm very shy to do this, but I really need hoping that someone could help me through the process. So right now, my husband is so sick. He's having a hard time to figure out like numbers and he's always confused. He could not even talk that much because he's so sick. The main diagnosis was pulmonary fibrosis. It's a chemical exposure of asbestos during his Navy. So we tried to process the claim and it was denied because it was not recorded. And right now, he has no pension for his military service for 16 years. He was retired early. I don't know. But I have a paper of discharge, which is honorable discharge. So, does he deserve to have his pension, right? Or his health benefits? He was being hospitalized for 3 times. At first, in UCMID Mandawi, and we billed 78,000. Secondly, when we went here in Mindanao, we billed 134,000 at Sanitarium Hospital in Iligan City. So we live near Ozami City, and he was hospitalized for the 3rd time around, and we billed 82,000. And monthly, we got a pension from the Social Security, and I was thinking that it was from the military, but it was not. I wonder why his friend, who is also a foreigner, married to a Filipina, he has 2 pension, one for military and one for the Social Security. But si Mark only 1. It doesn't really matter if he's not sick, but I think he deserved to be helped by the US government because he served for more than a decade, right? So I do not know. The claim was denied. The one who processed was his sister in the America. So she called the veteran. It was denied. It was not recorded. And right now, I do not know. I want to process the what you call that? Appeal? I do not know. Somebody told me a Nexus letter, but when I tried to research, someone asked me about Nexus letter and asking me $100. What the? So I understand that there's no free Nexus letter, but how does it works? And does it to be fair paying 5,000 pesos or $100? I do not know. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm very frustrated and worried about my husband. Every day he is battling against this kind of terminal illness, and every month we are paying for the bills like Toyota and everything. So his monthly pension from the Social Security wasn't enough. I tried to find a job through online because I have my own profession. I am a board passer, and also my skills is a pharmacy. I worked before as a pharmacy assistant in Cebu, Cebu, Metro Pharmacy. So, and then I met a man from the church, Living Word Church. By the way, my husband is, kuan siya, victim siya of a Filipina, and then I don't know more of his background. I think nag-live-in sila together and then it didn't work well. Karon, si Mark, he did not know nga daghan kog utang just to pay his bill from the hospitalization.